All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. This is 72 hours with the Samsung Galaxy S9. Now, some things that are definitely different with the S9 is the battery. Now, I can actually stay off of the battery, off of the charger a little bit longer than I did on the S9 Plus. However, the screen on time is pretty much the same. I've tried everything to putting it to 1080p display, the resolution, but I don't think it has anything to do with that at this point because I put it back on Quad HD and the battery life was the same. So battery life, while it's definitely staying off of the charger longer than the S9 Plus, the battery life is the same. Another thing I want to talk about is the performance. Now, the performance of the Galaxy S9 has been nothing short of great. It does have 4 gigs of RAM, a Snapdragon 845, and it's been a great experience. No lag, no nothing. It's just been really good. I don't anticipate having any problems with this phone, even though it does have 4 gigs of RAM with the 845 processor. The S9 Plus has the 6 gigs of RAM, but that's not really playing a part to me. I think it's about the optimization of how Samsung put this Samsung experience together. With that, I mean, battery life is decent, performance is great. Cameras, obviously, I really enjoy the cameras. I think they're really impressive. So the 4K at 60 FPS is actually really sweet. And I just wouldn't have it any other way. I think that so far those cameras are some of the best. I am testing I actually bought the Mi Mix 2 and recently, and I'll be comparing those cameras. Now, I did already post footage on Twitter and Instagram with a front camera sample versus the Galaxy S9. And a lot of you guys picked the Mi Mix 2. Because the Mi Mix 2 is a little bit more accurate, the color reproduction, everything was really good. So I just think that it'll be a good comparison down the line. But the Galaxy S9, it has all the features that you could possibly want in a smartphone. And it only cost me $720 or so. So, giving 72 hours impressions of a phone is getting really easy now because most of the way the phones that I'm getting, the way I'm using them, I don't have very many issues like some people. Some people have reported lots of issues. I just don't have any. So, I'm not saying they won't come later down the line, but I do want to say that if in fact you do purchase the Galaxy S9 Plus or the Galaxy S9, I think you'll be happy with either one. Both have great performance. Yeah, the S9 doesn't have the dual camera setup. However, it does have all the features pretty much of the video quality is what I mean. And overall, the phone itself is the same. It's just a smaller version with a smaller battery and 2 gigs less of RAM, but that really shouldn't bother you too much. So just wanted to give 72 hours with this Galaxy S9. It's actually been pretty sweet, man. I just don't have any problems with it. I've been keeping it inside of my Bolt series case because it's so small. You can actually keep it in a bulky case and you won't have any problems with it feeling like it's heavy in your pocket. So that's just the way I'm using it. And I do have a white stone dome glass on it as well. So with that being said, man, how are you guys enjoying your Galaxy S9 or your S9 Plus? Leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.